This Facebook tutorial is for the absolute beginner who don't have any idea about social media platform, especially Facebook. So I have started a Facebook tutorial for the beginners where I will explain you step by step process to perform each and every activity which is required to perform on the Facebook, including creating account, uploading photos, uploading the cover photo, then security settings. So in this video I'm going to explain you how to uh, add profile photo and cover photo using laptop. So let's start the video.
Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials.
Well, I assume that you have already logged in your Facebook account. So this is the home page. Okay, as you can see that this is the newly created account. So just click on your profile button here, the first button. Click on this button. Once you click on this button, you will get the two options here. One is to add profile photo and here to add a cover photo. You need to, if you want to add a profile photo in your Facebook account, you need to just click on the add photo button. Then click on the upload photo. Then go to the location where you have saved the photo. Okay, and here you can choose the photo of your choice. After that, you need to just drag the photographs so that you can highlight the portion which you want to show to the public. Okay, so you can drag the entire photographs. Okay, so I have selected this. Now after that, you need to just click on the save button. Before that, you have an option called edit. So here you can also edit the photographs before uploading to the Facebook. There are 6 filters available. You can choose the filter as per your choice. Okay, and then if you want to add some text, you can add the text also in the here, and then you can put the ART text also. You can put the stickers. So these are the few things which you can do before uploading the photo to the Facebook. So here the Facebook provides you the inbuilt photo editor where you can do some sort of editing before uploading the photo on the Facebook. So once you are done, just click on the save button. Again click on the save button, and now it's saving the profile picture, and you will get a message here that profile picture has been uploaded. Now you will see that I have successfully uploaded the profile picture. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, I request you to subscribe our channel.
Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.